The attendance management system holds great relevance when it comes to productivity at the workplace and the profitability of an organization. Using greytHR, your employees can mark attendance on the employee portal without any hardware-based time tracking devices. From the greytHR's employee self-service portal homepage, employees can mark their attendance by clicking on the Sign In and Sign Out from this section. The Sign In feature is also available in the greytHR mobile app. Now let's move on the admin portal and see how you can find the employee swipes details. The employee swipes page under the leave information section displays the list of swipes captured for a particular date range. Use the various filter options available on this page to filter the details available on this page. Once the attendance is processed, admin can see attendance info of the employees by navigating to attendance info page from the leave information section. Select an employee to view various details related to employee attendance. This page allows the admin to view the complete attendance data for an employee after processing the swipes, leaves, holidays, and regularization. Also see the details of the deductions that the employee is entitled to and its rule. Legends related to the status of a particular day are displayed at the bottom of the page. You have an option to view the details as a table or calendar. Thank you for watching.